What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Guns and Tactics. My name is Rex, and today we're going to be talking about Live the Creed's Pocket Trauma Kit. Now, is this little thing going to replace your other IFAKs and trauma kits? Stay tuned to find out. Now, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right corner of your screen right there. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time we drop a video, and hit a like button so that, well, share the love, right? So if you've seen my videos in the past, I've talked about Live the Creed before in my other IFAK video, or Essentials of IFAKs. I actually had their Responder IFAK kit. I just got the IFAK pouch. They offer that with contents as well, but I just got the pouch because I already had other things. And I wanted to check out their EDC Pocket Trauma Kit. I've seen these floating around on Instagram and social media, and it looked pretty interesting. It's very small and compact, and I wanted to take a look at it, see if this has any value. So here we go. So I got two of these. I got one with the contents. So just the pouch itself retails for $35, and I got it obviously in multicam black because that's the hot thing right now. And I got the other one that had contents with it, and that one retails for $75. Now for the price, it's pretty hard to beat. It's a good deal, I feel like. For just $75, you have yourself a compact pocket size. I'll put air quotes on pocket size because although it's pocket sized, it's not necessarily the most compact thing.
Damn, boy, he's thick
out there. Compact for an IFAK, but still pretty hefty. I wouldn't put this in my back pocket. Kind of reminiscent of those fat, thick leather wallets your dad used to carry that had a little condom ring in the front. So let's go ahead and go through the contents. First off, it is belt mountable, or there are loops here, Molly-like loops that you could mount it to a belt. I wouldn't throw this on a belt like an IFAK, but definitely something that probably you'd be able to throw in like your backpack, glove compartment, something like that. So first off, we got the Bare Nitrile gloves. Pretty popular gloves. They're pretty thick and sturdy gloves. It comes with a pack of some hemostatic gauze, Celox. We have a little pack here that has some band-aids, steri strips, an alcohol swab, betadine, and triple antibiotic. And then lastly, we have a tourniquet, and this is the SWAT tee. If you saw the last video, you kind of know how I feel about the SWAT tee. It's a great adjunct, I feel like, as a tourniquet. Would it be my first choice if I had others? No, but if I had nothing else, this would do the job, and this could do more than just act as a tourniquet. This could actually also act like Curlix or just a bandage to put over another wound, such as if you pack a wound with the Celox, you can wrap it and tie it with this, and it all fits in a compact package. For the price, it's actually a pretty good deal. I feel like you could probably kit your own out for about the same, if not less, if you already have supplies on you. That's why I've got my own to see what all I could fit in here. It said on the website that you can put 2 compact high-fin chest seals here, which I believe it looks like it'll fit it, and adding that to this would be great. If you throw in a needle chest seat compressor, you could do that too. If you already have that in a kit, I wouldn't see the need to have that in here. This is something, as advertised, is more of an EDC kind of IFAK, where something you'd be able to carry every day with you, not necessarily on your pocket, because like I said, this is going to be pretty uncomfortable on your back pocket, but on your backpack, if you're one to wear cargo pants, cargo shorts, this would fit in there. It'll be a little bulky, but if you're already carrying a gun, a knife, a couple magazines, all these other things, a pretty heavy duty belt, this probably won't be that much more to carry. There it is. That's like 2.5, 3 inches thick right there. That's a lot of bulk, and if you do wear this in your back pocket, it's probably gonna get painful after a while. With that being said, for a compact carry kit, $75 for the whole thing plus shipping, and they do offer a first responder and military discount and law enforcement discounts. It's not a bad deal, and like I said, to use it as an adjunct or as an everyday carry, you could throw together with your kit. Throw this in your glove box, cargo pocket, not your back pocket, backpack, and yeah, you'd be set. Go ahead and check them out on Instagram, LTC Live the Creed, at Live the Creed. Check them out on Facebook. Their name is Wild Hedgehog Tactical Solutions. Not really sure why, but that's their name on Facebook. Go ahead and check them out. And yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. I've carried it with me. I have not had to use it. And like I said, if you just get the pouch, this is just $35. You could outfit it however you want. With that being said, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any other questions or if you want to see more like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Catch you guys next time. Peace.
We work really hard to make content that we hope you as a shooter would enjoy. Subscribe to our channel, check out our featured videos and playlists, and if you have a question firearms related, go ahead and send an email to the address shown on the screen to be entered into our monthly QA series.